one question I do have, if you could touch on, and correct me if I'm saying it wrong, is it SCRA?
SCRA.
SCRA. If you can.
So
Tell
that's
us what that's all
it's the
about.
Service Members Civil Relief Act, and it was enacted in 2003, and it amended the Soldiers and Sailors Civil Relief Act, and it's a federal law that provides protection for military members as they enter active duty. And that includes National Guardsmen and reservists who go on Title 10 orders. Title 10 orders is basically just the funding mechanism by which they're paid. So it covers issues like rental agreements, security deposits, rent, evictions, installment contracts, credit card interest rates, mortgage interest rates, foreclosures, civil judicial proceedings, automobile leases, life insurance, health insurance, and income tax payments. So it's a whole ton
Like
of
a blanket.
Everything.
Yeah.
everything.